Ever wondered how to create stunning graphics without any design skills? Well, Canva is here to rescue you. This phenomenal design tool is a treasure trove of templates and elements, offering a seamless way to create beautiful graphics. Canva's magic lies in its simplicity and versatility. Whether you're a design novice or an experienced artist, Canva has something for everyone. It's a platform where creativity meets convenience. Say goodbye to your design dilemmas and embrace the world of effortless creativity with Canva. To start your design journey, you first need to set up a Canva account. It's a straightforward process. Navigate to Canva's website or download the app, then click Sign Up. You'll need to provide some basic information such as your name, email, and a password. Be sure to use accurate details for a smoother user experience down the line. You can also opt to sign up with your Google or Facebook account for added convenience. Once you have your account, you're all set to explore the endless world of designs at your fingertips. Canva's interface is user-friendly, making your design process as smooth as possible. Let's dive into the heart of this creative hub. The first thing you'll notice is the extensive template library. From social media posts to presentations, Canva has got you covered. The templates are not only professionally designed but also fully customizable, giving you the freedom to add your personal touch. Next, we move to the design page. This is where the magic happens. Here you can add text, change fonts, tweak colors, or even upload your own images. It's your canvas, so feel free to let your creativity run wild. And let's not forget about the element library. It's packed with a vast array of visuals such as shapes, lines, and stickers. These elements can be dragged and dropped onto your design, adding an extra layer of flair and personality. Understanding Canva's interface is the first step towards creating your own unique designs. Now that you're familiar with Canva's interface, it's time to create your first design. Start by selecting a template that suits your needs. Canva offers a wide range of templates for diverse purposes, from social media posts to presentations and more. Once you've found the perfect one, it's time to customize it. This is where your creative juices can flow freely. Change the colors, fonts, and other design elements to match your style or brand. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what works best. Canva's drag and drop feature makes this process easy and fun. Next, add elements like shapes, lines, or even charts to your design. Canva has a vast library of elements you can use to make your design truly unique. When you're satisfied with your masterpiece, save it. You can then download your design in various formats for different uses. And voila, you've just created your first design. Canva makes design simple and accessible for everyone. Before we wrap up, let's quickly go over the key points about using Canva. It's as easy as setting up an account, navigating through the intuitive interface, and starting your first design. Canva offers the flexibility to customize your projects to your liking with a vast library of templates, fonts, and graphics. The best part? It's all user-friendly and designed with beginners in mind. With Canva, you don't need to be a design expert to create stunning graphics. Start your design journey today.